Well, at the start of the new year, some people try to set a goal to better their health, and that may include trying a new diet.
TV6's Joshua Blount talked to a local dietitian about which diets are best for you and what trends they're seeing.
One of your New Year goals may be to exercise more and get fit. If you're considering going on a specific diet, Hem and Henry dietitians say you will want to make sure it's sustainable so you won't quit.
So just trying to add a little bit more fruits and vegetables, focusing on fiber, things like that you can do and keep up with long term. And then as you kind of get the hang of it, if you want to add more and more things to it, but slow and steady and sustainable lead to much better long-term outcomes and much better health outcomes than doing something really radical for a week or a month.
Kreiser says a protein source is also a main part of a diet. And while she says there has been trends of people focusing more on getting enough protein, she feels attention has shifted to plant-based fiber.
I think is a nutrient that I've been seeing trending online as being more of a focus area for people because that's where a nutrient that people are lacking in.
Kreiser says while there are several diets to consider such as Atkins, keto, or intermittent fasting, she recommends a Mediterranean diet, which she says provides the most overall benefit.
The Mediterranean diet is really the top diet that I would recommend. And I think taking a step back from that, just kind of looking at the term diet can encompass so many different types of food choices and dietary patterns. And so the Mediterranean diet isn't a weight loss diet or one of these really rigid, strict diets that you might think of when you hear that term. It's really more just kind of an overarching pattern or some suggestions to follow, some guidelines for really just kind of a lifestyle choice or like making those food choices.
But overall, Kreiser says when it comes to building any diet, you want to make sure you have legit information.
So the internet has tons and tons of resources out there, but making sure that, looking at where's this information coming from? Is this person a credible source of information? There's lots of influencers and people who are posting and blogging and whatever who sound credible, but what's their background?
Joshua Blount, TV6 News.